Okay, I'm very excited. This product that I'm going to unbox is something unique. It's of a Wi-Fi router. Now, most of us know that Wi-Fi routers are, you just go and buy one router and we try to upgrade our phones or we try to upgrade our devices. But I just wanted to upgrade my Wi-Fi router to get better speeds. And if you know what I mean, when you have a router and even though your plan says 100 Mbps, you will only get like 50 Mbps or 20 Mbps. Sometimes it's the internet provider, but sometimes it's the router. So what I have got now is probably the best mid-range router you can get. And I'll be shifting to a new house. So this router is for that. So I'm going to now turn the screen and we're going to do a quick unboxing of this router. The router is the Nighthawk AC2600. So I think actually the number is something else. R7450, yeah. So this is the unboxing of the Nighthawk R7450 AC2600. I'll explain that if I can. Wi-Fi router. Right now, if it delivers what it promises, it's probably the biggest steal right now in the market right now. If you actually see what it can do compared to other routers at this price range, it's like 5,000-6,000 cheaper. Okay, so let's just unbox it. I'll do some testing videos later, but right now this is just an unboxing. So here we have it, the Wi-Fi router, the NETGEAR Nighthawk 2600 smart Wi-Fi router. The number is the R7450. So I'm just going to unbox it just so that you can see what's inside, and I'll use the floor so I can just see it more clearly. So here's the Wi-Fi router. I couldn't wait, so I just opened this small tape over here just to see what's inside. So here's the router. So what we have here is a quick start guide. Then we have the router itself, which, as I knew, is really big. It's much bigger than the traditional routers that you can have. You can just see my hand and how big it is. It's big over here. And then we have the other stuff, like power jack, Ethernet cable, and here are the 3 antennas. These are, I think, powered antennas. I'm not sure. We'll check. Okay, so that's all that's in the box. Just these 3 things, and I hope to test it soon. In fact, let me just open this up to see what it is. Sorry. So let's just open it up. Removed it. And here's the router. As you can see, it has the USB 3 in front. These are the connectors for the power button, the 2.4 gigahertz band, 5 gigahertz bands, the 2 USBs, and then 4 LAN ports. I haven't really figured it out yet. These are the fans on either side. And here's the back panel, where we have, from what I understand, these are where you connect the cables, the antennas, the reset place, the 4 LAN ports, the WAN port, the on-off switch. Okay, so here you have the NETGEAR Nighthawk smart router. I need to fix it as well, but I'm really excited by this because of the speeds that it can show. And I hope it will work well. So here are the 3 antennas. I just opened it from the plastic box. I'm going to see whether you can fix it. Okay, so here we have the antenna thing. So you'll see these covers, they actually come out and it will open up to where the antenna should come. So this is what that small thing is. It's a small thing that you take out and then you can connect the antenna on that. So connecting this antenna here like this. Sorry, I need 2 hands. So as you can see, it's basically just turning it like this and it connects. So using the third antenna, you just screw it in. And then there's the three antennas. So it's actually quite easy to connect the antennas. And here you have it, the router. This cable obviously will be for connecting it, I'm guessing, to this port. I'll be using an ACT internet, but we haven't set it up yet. I just wanted you to see the router because I couldn't see the router in any YouTube site. So I think this will help at least if you are looking for it. The cable is this power cable. This is very strange 2-pin cable, which I guess will fit over here. I wish it was a 3-pin. Yeah. The power port is this. Got this quick start guide. It's just this down the package contents. And that's it. Okay, June 2018. Not an encouraging sign since we are in June, almost June 2020. But still, this is a really, on paper, it's a really good router. Yes, here you have it. So here you have the NETGEAR R7450.